Hey folks, quick video about saving a little bit of money on aircraft parts. So we all know aircraft parts are freaking insane in price. I think last time I saw a Cessna 172 airbox from Cessna, it was like $7 grand or something crazy like that. Anyway, on a flight last week, I lost one of the button covers that goes over the Schrader valve for the main gear. And that's where you put the nitrogen in the gear to keep the gear pumped up and to give you, the nitrogen gives you compressible gas for that. And I watched a video on Jimmy's World, mentioned this out at the airport as well on camera. On Jimmy's World, he bought some of these and got them at Home Depot. This is the same thing. It's basically the exact same part. It's no different from the Piper part, except for the Piper part has a little ring inside here, like a clip ring, which I found out I didn't need. Now this is not painted like the Piper one is. It's plated. It'll last a little bit longer. Now, in the video this morning I watched, Jimmy tried to put it in the Cherokee 6 he's working on. It didn't work. I don't remember what he said about his 180. But this is a Cherokee 180, and this thing fit perfectly, and it fit tight, and I couldn't pull it out with my bare hands. So it's a fix. It's basically an owner-supplied part. So let's look at the video I shot out at the airport so you can see what I'm talking about. Hey, I'm back at the airport. So take a look here. I lost one of these on my last flight. That's the cover that goes over the filler valve for the main gear. So I have one on the other side. Now I was looking at a video on a channel called Jimmy's World. Now Jimmy's doing a very noble thing. Jimmy is restoring a Cherokee 6, and he had missing covers for those filler valves. I think they're Schrader valves. Anyhow, he ordered these off aftermarket ones. I don't remember where he got them. I think he got them from Home Depot or something, and they were relatively cheap. So I went and ordered some, and I found some on Amazon. And then I watched a video today where Jimmy said they don't fit. They don't fit. Well, let me show you something here. I'm going to get the camera turned around. I'm hand holding this, so it should be interesting. Okay, so there's the hole. And here's the little, now this is plated steel, not painted steel like the original one. So if you get this over the hole, that's on tight. That's not going anywhere. I mean, I can't pull that off. So that worked really well. Jimmy said he tried it on his 180. This is a 180, but that thing fit on there perfectly. I can't pull that off, so I'm not going to lose that. So lo and behold, Jimmy was right in the first place, at least with my airplane. So if you're watching this, Jimmy, there you go. That's what I found. I'm going to put a link in the description to Jimmy's World's channel and to where I got these and what model number they are. And an airplane's landing. So, success. Owner-supplied part. So that's it. It fit perfectly. It's tight. It's not moving. I checked with my A&P and he said, no problem. It'll work. Put it in there. I might switch the other one out so I have symmetry, chrome on both sides. But that was $11 for 4, I think. And they're $50 from Piper or from almost any vendor. So that's a little bit of a savings. Till next time, fly safe.